Mastering Facebook Ads, Tips for Creating Effective Ads for Your Business. Facebook is a powerful advertising platform that can help you reach your target audience and grow your business. However, with so many businesses advertising on the platform, it can be challenging to stand out. In this post, we'll share some tips for creating effective Facebook ads that will help you achieve your marketing goals. Know your target audience. Before creating Facebook ads, it's essential to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? What problems do they face, and how can your product or service solve them? Knowing this information will help you create ads that resonate with your audience. Define your objective. To create effective Facebook ads, you need to know what you want to achieve. Do you want to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or increase sales? Defining your objective will help you create ads that align with your goals. Create compelling ad content. Your ad content is what will grab your audience's attention and encourage them to take action. Use eye-catching images or videos and compelling copy to make your ads stand out. Be sure to highlight the benefits of your product or service and use clear calls to action. Test and optimize your ads. To maximize the effectiveness of your Facebook ads, you need to test and optimize them continually. Try different ad formats, images, and copy to see what works best. Use Facebook's ad testing tools to see how your ads perform and make adjustments accordingly. Monitor and track your results. Finally, to ensure your Facebook ads are effective, you need to monitor and track your results. Use Facebook's Ads Manager to track ad performance, including impressions, clicks, and conversions. Use this data to optimize your ads further and make improvements over time. Creating effective Facebook ads requires understanding your target audience, defining your objectives, creating compelling ad content, testing and optimizing your ads, and monitoring and tracking your results. By following these tips, you can create ads that stand out on Facebook and drive results for your business. If you need help with creating effective Facebook ads for your business, contact us at www.sausomeservices.com. Our digital marketing experts can help you create ads that drive results and grow your business.